Hello everybody, welcome to my channel VV Mode. Today I bought a new phone case for my OnePlus 11. I'm going to show you the unboxing of it. This is bought from Amazon and this was priced for 379 rupees. This is from the gift card. Okay. Last time also I had a cover from gift card only. This is the packaging of it. Okay, now we are going to open it. Okay, fine. So we have, this is the cover. Okay, and this is just a thank you note from the gift card. Okay, let us just open this one. Gift card is a very good brand which makes good quality of covers, right? See, this is the one. Okay, now let us just try to remove this one. Okay, so you can see the quality of the cover is good. 379 rupees. Okay, I have a green color OnePlus 11, so see, this is the green shade of it. Okay, this is that stand, so you can just put your phone on landscape mode and see any movies. Okay, or you can attend any calls. And this is the camera protection. Okay. See, this is camera protection, so when camera is needed you can just keep it on, otherwise you can just keep close this one. Okay, so it is good. Yeah, the volume button. Yeah, this is power button, this is slider, right? So it's a good quality of cover. I will use this cover, and if possible I'll make another review video of it. Okay, and this was my old cover. This was from gift card also, and this was also nice cover. Okay, and it got broke here. Okay, it got broke from here. Okay, so I had to order another one. Keeping this heavy covers, no, it's good, because I have small children, and if they throw my phone down or if my phone falls, there is no damage to the phone. Okay, so this is the old cover, this is a new cover. I used this maybe around 2.5 years. That was also from gift card. This cover is also available in the black color, and this is in green color. And this company makes such covers for the phone also. Okay, so if you are interested you can buy that covers also. I will review this product soon and share you the usage video. Okay, and in the meantime I'll put the link of the product in the video description. If you want you can go and buy it. And please note, this is not a sponsored video from gift card. This is the things that I buy and I make videos on it. And so I'll be using this cover now, and I'll tell you the review about it. If you have any questions, do comment. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, do subscribe it. If you felt this video was good, do share it with your friends and family members. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.